Now, up till now, we have seen total productive maintenance, out of which we have seen the definition of total productive maintenance, objective of that total productive maintenance, then different types of maintenance we have seen. After that, we are started with TPM pillars. There are 8 pillars are there for TPM. 5S is the base, and after that 8 pillars are there, out of which we have seen pillar number up to pillar number 4 we have seen, correct? So we will today we will start with pillar number 5, that is with respect to quality maintenance. In this policy of that quality maintenance, we see that defect free condition and control of equipments. That means whatever we are going to produce with that equipment is a whatever product we are going to produce with 1 minute, sorry, again I have to go for this document viewer. Just a minute. In quality maintenance, we have 4, and now pillar number 5 is with respect to quality maintenance, correct? So when quality maintenance is there, whatever product we are going to produce in that equipment should be always defect free, that we have to maintain. For that purpose, whatever parameters we have to control, that parameter should be controlled on that equipment. Quality management activities to support quality assurance. Then to maintain this quality assurance, we have to follow the quality management activities. Focus of prevention of defects at source. Whatever going to be produced, defects are going to be produced, we have to target the source from where the defects are going to be produced, so that there should be a always okay part, or the acceptable quantity of product can be produced. Focus on POCA-OK, that is full film system, because whatever we are going to see that a labor is going to create a wrong procedure, so that assembly can be wrong, so that the assembly should not be wrong. For that purpose, we have to maintain the POCA-OK, that means foolproof systems. We have to consider that worker is going to create a problem. That means he is going to create a mistake. So we have to develop a system which should be a mistake proofing. So POCA-OK is also again can be called as mistake proofing system. Inline detection and segregation of defects. Whatever will be the defects are there, that should be detected inline and segregated. The defect should be segregated in a proper manner. Effective implementation of operator quality assurance. That means quality of the operator जी क्वालिटी आहे ती मेंटेन करण्याचं काम पण इफेक्टिवली क्वालिटी मेंटेन करायचं काम ऑपरेटरचं आहे, आणि ते प्रॉपरली इम्प्लिमेंट व्हायला पाहिजे हे त्याचं सांगतं. टार्गेट इज अचीव अँड सस्टेन कस्टमर कंप्लेंट्स ॲट झिरो. जे काही कंप्लेंट्स आहेत त्या झिरो व्हायला पाहिजेत. कस्टमरचे कंप्लेंट्स आहेत दॅट शुड बी झिरो. रिड्यूस इन प्रोसेस डिफेक्ट्स बाय 50%. रिड्यूस्ड कॉस्ट ऑफ क्वालिटी बाय 50%. जे क्वालिटीची जे काय प्रोड्यूस करायचं ते 100% परफेक्टच बनायला पाहिजे. जे काही प्रोसेस डिफेक्ट्स आहेत ते 50% कमी करायचे. जी काही कॉस्ट आहे क्वालिटी मेंटेन करण्यासाठी जी कॉस्ट आहे ती पण 50% कमी करणं हे क्वालिटी मॅनेजमेंटच्या त्या पिलरचं काम आहे. डाटा रिक्वायरमेंट. Quality defects are classified as customer end defects and in-house defects. The customer end data we have to get on customer end line rejection, field complaints. In-house data include that data is related with products, data related with process. Now, data related with products, product wise defects, severity of the defect and contribution, major or minor, that you have to segregate. Location of the defect and reference to the layout, म्हणजे तो कुठून डिफेक्ट येतो आहे आणि त्याचं लेआउट कुठं आहे, रेफरन्स त्याचा लेआउट आहे हे आपल्याला शोधणं जरुरी असतं. मॅग्निट्यूड अँड फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ इट्स अकरन्स ॲट ईच स्टेज ऑफ द मेजरमेंट. जी काही मॅग्निट्यूड कंटिन्युअस येणारं जे अकरन्स आहे, डिफेक्टचं अकरन्स आहे, त्याचं आपल्याला किती फ्रिक्वेन्सीने येतं आहे आणि किती रिजेक्शन पर्सेंटेज किती कंटिन्युअसली आहे का मॅग्निट्यूडमध्ये आहे, म्हणजे क्वांटिटीच्या हिशोबाने आहे हे तुम्हाला कळलं पाहिजे. अकरन्स ट्रेंड्स इन बिगिनिंग अँड एंड ऑफ इच प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस चेंजेस. अकरन्स ट्रेंड्स इन बिगिनिंग अँड एंड ऑफ इच प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस अँड चेंजेस, म्हणजे जे काही तिथं चेंजेस होणार आहेत, जे काही डिफेक्ट जनरेट होतं आहे त्याच्या तिथंच प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस चेंजेस करून तुम्ही काय करणार आहात, सुरुवातीलाच हे क्वालिटी मेंटेन करण्याच्या हिशोबाने सुरुवात करणार आहात. ऑकरन्स ट्रेंड्स इन रिस्पेक्ट टू रिस्टोरेशन ऑफ ब्रेकडाऊन, मॉडिफिकेशन अँड पिरियॉडिकल रिप्लेसमेंट्स ऑफ क्वालिटी कॉम्पोनंट्स. काही कॉम्पोनंट जे आहेत क्वालिटी मेंटेन करण्याच्या हिशोबाने गरज पडली तर तुम्हाला चेंजेस करणं जरुरी आहे. ब्रेकडाऊन झालं तर ते करतो, पण त्याच्याबद्दल पण काही डिफेक्ट असतील तर त्याच्यामध्ये काही मॉडिफिकेशन करायचं का, काही रिप्लेसमेंट करायचं का, ह्याच्यावर पण लक्ष देणं फार जरुरी आहे. नाऊ डाटा रिलेटेड विथ प्रोसेसेस. द ऑपरेटिंग कंडिशन फॉर इंडिव्हिज्युअल सब प्रोसेसेस रिलेटेड टू मेन मेथड, मटेरियल अँड मशीन. The standard settings and coordinated conditions of the sub-process. Actual record of the settings and conditions during the defect occurs. The employee should be trained to achieve the 4 phases of skill. The goal is to create a factory full of experts. The different phases of the skills are: phase 1, do not know; phase 2, know the theory but cannot do; phase 3, can do but cannot teach; 4, can do and also teach. These are the phases of skills. These are the phases of the skills, and this is called as pillar number 6, training. ट्रेनिंग देणं जरुरी आहे. फोकस काय त्या पिलरचं? Focus on improvement of knowledge, skills and techniques to the worker. Creating training environment of self-learning based on felt needs. Training curricular tools, assessment, etc. conductive to employee revitalization. Training to remove employee fatigue and make work enjoyable. हे तुमच्या ट्रेनिंग पिलरचं काम आहे. टार्गेट इज टू अचीव अँड सस्टेन डाऊन टाईम due to want meant to zero and critical machines. म्हणजे तुम्ही काही डाऊन टाईम कमी करायची आणि तिथं मॅनपॉवरचं जे काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तो रिड्यूस करायचा क्रिटिकल मशीनवरचा, हे टार्गेट. अचीव अँड सस्टेन झिरो लॉसेस ड्यू टू लॅक ऑफ नॉलेज अँड स्किल्स अँड टेक्निक्स. एम फॉर 100% पार्टिसिपेशन इन सजेशन ऑफ स्कीम्स. स्टेप्स इन एज्युकेटिंग अँड ट्रेनिंग ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. Setting policies and priorities and checking present status of education and training. तुम्ही आत्तापर्यंत ट्रेन देताना कुठल्या गोष्टीचं ट्रेनिंग द्यायचं, त्याला कुठलं काय येतं आहे, त्याला काय नाही येत, याचं वेगवेगळं करून त्याच्या हिशोबाने त्याला ट्रेनिंग कुठल्या पद्धतीचं द्यायचं हे ठरवायचं. एस्टॅब्लिश ट्रेनिंग सिस्टीम ऑफ ऑपरेशन अँड मेंटेनन्स ऑफ स्किल अप अपग्रेडेशन. ट्रेनिंग द एम्प्लॉईज फॉर अपग्रेडिंग द ऑपरेशन अँड मेंटेनन्स स्किल्स. Preparation of training calendar. kick off the system for training, evaluation of activities, and study the future approach. Now, pillar number 7, that is Office TPM. Office TPM addresses 12 major losses. They are processing loss, cost loss, including areas such as procurement, accounts, marketing, sales, leading to a high inventories, communication loss, idle loss, setup loss, accuracy loss, of equipment breakdown, communication channel breakdown, telephone or fax lines, time spent on retrieval of information, non-availability of contact of line stock status, customer complaints due to logistics, expenses and emergency dispatches and purchases. हे तुमचं ऑफिस TPMचे जे आहे ऑफिसवाल्यांची कामं आहे. मग हाऊ टू स्टार्ट TPM, ऑफिस TPM? A senior person from one of the support functions, head of finance, MIS, purchase, etc. should be heading the subcommittee. Members representing all support functions and people from the production and quality should be included and subcommittee. TPM coordinator coordinate plans and guides the subcommittee, providing awareness about office TPM to all support departments, helping them to identify PQCDSM in each function in relation to plant performance, identify the scope for improvement in each function, collect relevant data, help them to solve problems in their circles, make up an activity board where progress is monitored on both sides, results and actions along with guidance. Fan out to cover all employees and circles in all functions. Office TPM and its benefits are involvement of all people in support functions for focusing on better plant performance, better utilized work area, reduced repetitive work, reduced inventory levels in all parts of the supply chain, reduced administrative cost, reduced inventory cost, reduction in number of files, reduction in number of overhead cost, include cost of non-production and non-capital equipment, productivity of people in support functions, reduction in breakdown of office equipment, reduction of customer complaints due to logistics, reduction in expenses due to emergency dispatches, reduced manpower, clean and pleasant work environment. हे PQCDM in office म्हणजे काय? P is production output loss due to want of material, manpower productivity, production output loss due to want of tools. Q, mistakes in preparation of checks, bills, invoices, payrolls, customer returns, etc. C is buying cost, per unit produced, cost of logistics, inbound or outbound, cost of carrying inventory and cost of communication and demurrage cost. D is logistics losses, delay in delivery due to any support functions, delay in payments to supplier, delay in information. S is safety in material handling, stores, logistics, safety of soft and hard data. M is number of kaizens in office area. Now final is pillar number 8, safety, health and environment. Target is zero accident, zero health damage, zero fires. In this area of focus, to create safe workplace and surroundings area that is not damaged by our processes or procedures. This pillar will play an active role in each of the other pillars on a regular basis. Six big recommended availability classला unplanned steps, planned steps, performance मध्ये small stops, slow cycles, क्वालिटी लॉसमध्ये हे ते प्रोडक्शन रिजेक्शन अँड स्टार्टअप रिजेक्शन, OEEमध्ये फुल्ली प्रोडक्टिव्ह टाईम, ट्रॅडिशनल बिग लॉसेस, ट्रॅडिशनल सिक्स सिग्मा बघितलं, सिक्स बिग लॉसेस, इक्विपमेंट फेल्युअर अँड सेटअप अँड ॲडजस्टमेंट्स, आयडलिंग अँड मायनर स्टॉप्स, reduced speeds, process defects, reduced yield and valuable operating time. हे तुमचे ट्रॅडिशनल बिग लॉसेस आहेत. आणि रिकमेंडेड सिक्स बिग लॉसेस कुठले, अनप्लॅन्ड स्टॉप्स वगैरे हे थांबलं पाहिजे. सिक्स बिग लॉसेस, अनप्लॅन्ड स्टॉप्स. Unplanned stops are significant periods of time in which equipment is scheduled for production but it is not running due to unplanned event. Examples include equipment breakdowns, tool failures, unplanned maintenance, lack of operator or materials, being starved by upstream equipment or being blocked by downstream equipment. Planned stops are periods of time in which equipment is scheduled for production but it is not in running due to planned event. Examples include changeovers, tooling adjustment, cleaning, planned maintenance, quality inspection. Many companies also categorize breaks and meetings as planned stops. Small stops occur when equipment stops for a short period of time with stop resolved by the operator, typically minute or 2 minutes. Small stops are often chronic, same problem, different day, which can make operators somewhat blind to their impact. Examples include misfeeds, material jams, incorrect settings, misaligned and block sensor, etc. Slow cycles occur when equipment runs slower than ideal cycle time. Examples include dirty or worn out equipment, poor lubrication, substandard materials, poor environment conditions, etc. Product defects are defective parts produced during stable production. This includes parts that can be reversed since OEE measures quality from first pass yield perspective. Examples include incorrect equipment setting, operator or equipment handling errors, and lot expiration. Startup defects are defective parts produced from startup until stable production is reached. ट्रायल्स म्हणतो ना आपण, त्या ट्रायल्समध्ये हे स्टार्टअप डिफेक्ट्स म्हटलं जातं. दे कॅन ऑकर आफ्टर एनी इक्विपमेंट स्टार्टअप. However, the most commonly tracked after changeovers. Examples include suboptimal changeovers, equipment that needs warm-up cycles, and equipment that inherently creates waste after startup. Information, focus and actions. जर तुम्ही बघितलं इन्फॉर्मेशन काय आहे, अनप्लॅन्ड स्टॉप्स, प्लॅन स्टॉपला स्ट्रॅटेजिक मंथली प्लॅनिंग आणि इम्प्रूव्ह लार्ज स्कोप हाय इम्पॅक्ट. हे जर तुम्ही बघितले, हे बिग लॉसेस आहे त्याच्यावरती फोकस करून कसं करायचं फोकस आणि त्याच्याने काय ॲक्शन घ्यायच्या ते तुम्हाला दिलेलं आहे ह्या त्याच्यामध्ये. आता जर तुम्ही बघितलं 16 लॉसेस ऑफ हे 16 लॉसेस ऑफ TPM हे आपण उद्या चालू करू. 16 लॉसेस ऑफ TPM हे आपण उद्या चालू करू. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे जेणेकरून आपल्याला त्याचे लिंक लागेल. ओके, थँक्यू.